In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Steam app on Android. By the end, you'll have the official Steam mobile app installed using either the Google Play Store or the direct APK from the Steam website, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. First up, the simplest and most reliable way is through the Google Play Store. Unlock your Android phone and open the Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type Steam. You should see Steam Mobile from the official developer. Look for the familiar Steam logo and check that it's the official listing before you proceed. Tap it to open the app page, then tap Install. You'll see a progress bar as it downloads and sets up. Once the install button changes to open, you're done. You can tap open right away, or find the Steam icon on your home screen or in your app drawer later. This method keeps the app updated automatically, which is great for getting the latest features and security fixes without any extra effort. If you prefer to download the app directly, there's another method: installing the APK from the official Steam website. Open your preferred mobile browser and search for Steam app. From the search results, select Steam Mobile from the official Steam site and scroll down to the download section. There, you'll find the option to download the APK sealed directly to your device. Tap to download and wait for it to finish. When the download completes, open your notifications or your downloads folder and tap the APK file to run it. Your phone may prompt you to allow installs from your browser or file manager. That's normal when installing apps outside the Play Store. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant permission, then continue with the installation. In a few moments, the Steam app will be installed. Look for the icon on your home screen or app drawer, and you're ready to go. A couple of quick tips to make either method easier. Use a stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, to avoid interruptions. Make sure you have enough storage for the app to install cleanly. If you use the AP method, download only from the official Steam website to keep your device secure, and consider deleting the APK afterward to free up space. And that's it. You've learned two straightforward ways to get the Steam app on your Android device: through the Play Store for automatic updates, or via the official APK if you prefer a direct download. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Steam on the go.